Charbroiler comes in various sizes. This is an 8 burner here. Comes in from 4 burners right the way through to a 12 burner, so various sizes. No charcoal in it. It works basically by individual burners, as you see here, and then on top of the burner there's a cast iron radiant that sits on there that radiates the heat up to the cooking surface. Cast iron grates again. That then product goes onto the cooking grates and cooks your product. So it's used for things like steaks, chicken. There's a stainless steel plate you can put on to cook things like fish as well and more delicate items. So it's very versatile, but it's a real workhorse. Put it on, leave it cooking all day, high volume and very robust. So one of the benefits of having the cassettes in here, the deflectors, is that the trays don't get so hot, and it makes it easier to clean as well. Because the fats are not getting so hot and welding itself to the tray, it makes it much easier to clean.
Great.
It's a high volume, robust unit for cooking all sorts of things like meat and fish, proteins generally. On the grills here, a lot of people use them for steaks and chicken. As I said, you can have a stainless steel plate on there as well for having more delicate items like fish. So you could cook fillets of salmon and things like that on there as well. People even use them for breakfast items as well, eggs and things like that. Because all the burners here are all individually controlled, you can have real zonal cooking on the top as well. So you could have a cooler section over here and a hotter section here if you wanted. So it's all very controlled.